Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start now by importing both camera A and camera B clips into the media pool. You want matching frame rates and codecs so Resolve can sync cleanly. Once imported, scrub a few seconds to verify audio exists or add a slate/clap marker at the start. Create a new timeline using your primary clip settings to avoid resampling. Make sure clips are clearly named. This saves time during multicam creation. You're setting a precise foundation, so automatic tools have the best chance to succeed. With clips selected, right-click and choose Create New Multicam Clip. Pick Sync by Audio if both have clear waveforms, or Sync by Timecode if both record matching TC. You can also use in/out points for manual sync. Set angle ordering to camera name or record order so you know which angle is which. Once created, open the multicam timeline and enable multicam view. This lets you play back all angles simultaneously and confirm the sync visually and orally before cutting. Finish by trimming and refining. If you spot drift, use slip or roll edits on the clip edges or manually nudge clips in the timeline to realign. Once done, solo each angle to compare audio waveforms and ensure lip sync. Make incremental moves by frames for precision. Export a short test render to verify a /V sync outside Resolve. If problems persist, fall back to aligning a visible clap or rerunning sync by timecode. Save your multicam settings as a preset to speed up next projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.